Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back again. It's the Brat Man. Had a quick question for you guys. I was wondering if in the KDX forums, the KDX club, if you could tell me why my float bowl keeps sticking, or my floats in the float bowl keep sticking. And I took this carburetor apart several times and I can't figure it out. So I was wondering if somebody could shed some light on this, because right now I'm baffled. I can't really figure it out. I took this carburetor apart like 4 times and I put it back perfectly, made sure everything was nice and, nothing was jammed up in the float bowl. And every time I put it back on, it runs great for a little bit, and then all of a sudden it starts spitting out fuel out of the overflow, and then I'm back to square one again. And I can't figure out why or what's causing that float bowl to get jammed up. So I'm a little baffled because I took it apart so many times, and I've done many carburetors in my life, and I've never seen anything where it just keeps doing the same thing over and over again. So now I'm at the point to where I think I'm just going to replace the carburetor. I think that might be the easiest route. So I don't know what else to do. So I was trying to see if some of you guys out there that are familiar with this Keihin carburetor. I think it's a PWK. I'm not sure what the numbers are on it, but it's the KDX 200. And numbers aren't on this side, probably the other side. I don't know if I'm not going to be able to get in there to see. Well, you can see a little bit. Oh, man. Hold on. See if I can get in there. I don't know if I can even zoom in on that.
Are you talking to your bike?
It's a PWK. I'm not sure. Hold on. Alright, there we go. You can see the numbers. That's the serial numbers that are on it. I'm not sure what type, what size it is, I don't know. I'm not really sure. But if anyone out there would know, that would be great. So keep me posted. Let me know if you guys know anything. Yeah, this keeps getting stuck though, and it spits the fuel out of the overflow and onto the ground. So if any of you guys know, please let me know. Any help would be greatly appreciated. But like I said, I took this carburetor in and out about 4 or 5 times, and it runs great for a little bit, and then it just goes right back to the same thing again. So I can't really figure it out. But if any of you guys know, let me know. Get back to me. And I'm really getting tired of pulling this carburetor in and out so many times. So if any of you guys can shed some light on this, it'd be great. Keep me posted, and I'll be back with some more videos. Brat Man signing off. See you guys later. Peace and hair grease.